Hello friends, today we will discuss about Megger or IR tester, types of Megger, its construction and working principle. The Megger is the instrument used for measuring the resistance of the insulation. It works on the principle of comparison, that is the resistance of the insulation is compared with the known value of resistance. If the resistance of the insulation is high, the pointer of the moving coil deflects towards the infinity, and if it is low, then the pointer indicates zero resistance. This is the infinite position and this is the zero position. Now we will see types of Megger. There are normally two types of Megger. One is mechanical type or hand operated. Second one is electronic type or battery operated. This is the hand operated manual hand driven Megger, and this is the electronic Megger with test push button. Hand driven mechanism is given for hand rotated Megger, and one push button arrangement is there in electronic type Megger. In electronic type Megger, battery is used for creating the DC voltage for the testing purpose. Now we will see construction of Megger. The Megger is consisting of following: DC generator, deflecting coil, controlling coil, pressure coil resistance and current coil resistance. Now we will see working principle of Megger. Deflecting coil is connected in series with the DC generator, and controlling coil is connected in parallel with the DC generator. Deflecting coil and controlling coil are connected right angle to each other. Torque produced in deflecting coil is directly proportional to voltage and inversely proportional to current. Suppose we want to measure the insulation resistance of a cable, then conductor is connected to the line terminal and insulation is connected to the earth terminal. When insulation resistance is high, no current flows through deflecting coil and the pointer remains at infinite position. When insulation resistance is low, high current flows through deflecting coil and the pointer moves to zero position. When insulation resistance is intermediate, variable current flows through deflecting coil and the pointer moves in between 0 to infinite position. Normally deflecting torque is directly proportional to the voltage and indirectly proportional to the current. Connection for Megger. Suppose you want to test insulation of the conductor of the cable, then we have to connect the conductor to the line terminal and insulation to the earth terminal. Suppose you want to test the insulation of a bushing of a transformer, then you have to connect the bushing to the line terminal and the tank or earth or body to the earth terminal of the Megger circuit. Recommended minimum value for IR values. This is the formula for recommended IR value. For 11 kV system, the IR value must be 11 plus 1 is equal to 12 mega ohm. For 415 volt system, the IR value must be 0.415 plus 1 is equal to 1.41 mega ohm.